Hey everyone, it's Jason Soft Training here. Going through chemotherapy is a journey, and like any journey, it's easier with support. One of the most important things you can support is your immune system. Chemo is tough. It really takes a toll on your body, especially those defenses that keep you healthy. But the good news is, there are things you can do to bounce back faster and stay strong during treatment. We're going to go through 8 powerful ways to support your immune system during chemo so you can focus on what matters most, getting better. Let's get started. Think of your body like a car, and food is the fuel. You want to make sure you're putting in the highest quality fuel to keep your engine running smoothly, especially when it's under stress. During chemo, a balanced diet is super important. We're talking about loading up on fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants to protect your cells, getting enough lean protein to help your body repair, and choosing whole grains for lasting energy. What you eat has a direct impact on how well your body can recover and stay strong. And remember, small changes can make a big difference. Staying properly hydrated is always important, but during chemotherapy it's even more crucial. Think of water as your body's internal cleaning crew. It helps flush out toxins, transports nutrients to your cells, and keeps everything running smoothly. When you're dehydrated, your body has to work harder, and that can take a toll on your immune system. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day, and listen to your body. If you're thirsty, drink up. Sleep is like hitting the reset button for your body and mind. It's when your body repairs damage, recharges its batteries, and strengthens its defenses. When you don't get enough sleep, your immune system weakens, making you more susceptible to infections. Chemotherapy can sometimes disrupt sleep, so it's important to create a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine and screen time before bed and create a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment. Move your body, strengthen your immunity. Exercise might be the last thing on your mind during chemo, but trust me, it's worth it. Even moderate exercise can make a huge difference in how you feel both physically and mentally. Exercise is like a powerful tonic for your immune system. It increases blood flow, helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells, and even helps flush out toxins. Don't worry, you don't have to run a marathon. Start slow with some light walking, gentle yoga, or even just stretching. Listen to your body and do what feels right. Stress. Less, heal better. Managing stress during chemo. Stress, we all experience it, but during chemo, it can feel overwhelming. And here's the thing, stress isn't just bad for your mental health, it takes a toll on your physical health too, including your immune system. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can actually suppress your immune response. That's why finding healthy ways to manage stress is so important. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and spending time in nature can all help calm your mind and boost your mood. During chemotherapy, your immune system is working overtime, so it's important to minimize your exposure to germs. Think of it like avoiding landmines. You want to steer clear of anything that could potentially make you sick. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before eating, after using the restroom, or after being in public places. Avoid large crowds and anyone who is sick, and make sure your vaccinations are up to date. Supplements can be a great way to support your immune system during chemotherapy, but it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. They can help determine which supplements are safe and effective for you based on your individual needs and medical history. Some supplements that may be beneficial include probiotics, vitamin D, and zinc. But again, always consult with your doctor first. They are your partner in this journey and can help you make informed decisions about your health. Going through chemotherapy can feel isolating at times, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Surrounding yourself with loved ones, friends, and family can provide invaluable emotional support. Talking to someone who understands what you're going through can make a world of difference. Don't be afraid to reach out for help when you need it. There are also many support groups available, both online and in person, where you can connect with others who are going through similar experiences. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your routine. They're your partner on this journey and can provide personalized guidance. Stay strong and take care of yourself. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And as always, remember to take care of your health because it's one thing you can't Google.